The Shepherds. Basic English for Kids.
The words that start with the letter N.
N for Nightingale.
N for Nightingale.
N for Nest.
N for Nest.
N for Noodles.
N for Noodles.
N for Necklace.
N for Necklace.
N for Nail.
N for Nail.
N for Notebook.
N for Notebook.
N for Neck.
N for Neck.
N for Needle.
N for Needle.
N for Newspaper.
N for Newspaper.
N for Night.
N for Night.
N for Nurse.
N for Nurse.
N for Net.
N for Net.
N for Nuggets.
N for Nuggets.
N for Nature.
N for Nature.
N for Necktie.
N for Necktie.
N for Nuts.
N for Nuts.
N for Ninja.
N for Ninja.
N for Neptune.
N for Neptune.
N for Nun.
N for Nun.
N for Nine.
N for Nine.
N for Nib.
N for Nib.
N for Narwhal.
N for Narwhal.
N for Nike.
N for Nike.
N for November.
N for November.
N for North America.
N for North America.
N for Network.
N for Network.
N for Numbers.
N for Numbers.
Thanks for learning with us. Please click like and subscribe the channel.